Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a quick market update. So today is October 17th, and the markets look like this. Okay, so we are basically in the boring low section of this bear market. Let me show you. So we had the bull run here. Okay, and now we are basically we have gone through sideways. We had so let me actually. So we had the bull run here, and then we went crazy deep, and then we had a little bit of uptrend here, and now we are kind of like back here. Okay, here we are. So I believe that this, the boring lows, whatever it is, if we go lower, or if we just stay here, or if we have a little pumps, whatever it is, I think that this range is a great dollar cost average. Dollar cost average. Okay, so basically means that when you buy boom 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 whatever price in this range, when you average that out, okay, the result is going to be great. I mean, you are buying at very low prices. We are already down. Bitcoin is like 72%, and some assets are even up to 99%. Today, for example, I bought asset that is minus 95% down from its all-time high. Okay, it's great. So it's in the gaming crypto portfolio. You can go to wolflovers.com/store if you want to see all my products, and they are very high quality, highest of high quality. And I'm literally basically showing you a building portfolio from scratch. And right now I have, as I've been doing tons of research, like I basically like do all I do is research. I'm going very hard in this bear market. Back in 2018 and 2020, I remember people who went crazy hard in the bear market when everybody else was quitting. Those people they literally made millions and millions and millions of dollars. I'm telling you, they made millions and millions of dollars because they catched all the trends and they just built positions for these new tokens and new opportunities. Even though it doesn't matter if you buy. This is a misconception. A lot of people, like, when you find a token, you have to buy a lot. It doesn't matter how much you have if you're buying quality. If you're buying quality, even if you're like buying with $100, that $100 can literally, like, I have this one mentor of mine. He bought that one of the tokens at 0.0 around 0.01, and it went all the way around to $9. Okay, even if you have bought with that, like with just like $100 here, maybe in all $1,000, you can that you will turn that into massive amounts of money. And think about, this is just one position. When you build multiple positions here, boom boom boom, you just don't quit. Everybody else is like, hey, cryptocurrencies are bad, like it's going down at zero, and there it's a scam and blah 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 blah. NFTs are just bullshit. There's no utility, like all this stuff. Okay, in the end, in my opinion, the next bull run, at least 10 to 1000x. That's what I'm looking for. That's what my portfolios are for. 10 to 1000x. Okay, that's what I'm personally looking for. So how I think that we go from here. Okay, right now as we are here, a lot of people are saying, okay, we are going to go down more and blah blah blah. And if we go down more, great, I buy more. But I'm still buying right now because we are already 70 to 95% from all-time high. Okay, and so basically after that, when we have we have the bear market, let's say that we have a dump here, and then we have the boring lows continue around. So the boring lows, I think that this area will be like so the boring lows will stop at around Q1 of 2023, around that mark, in my opinion. So whatever it is, so January, February, March, around that area. Okay, I think that we are going to start trending up again. Okay, so in 2020 we are started trending up again, but then we had COVID crash, and then we basically retested again this price here, and after that we just went parabolic. Okay, so I think that if we have we don't know, so I think we're going to trend down, not trend down but trend up after that. So that's called the momentum phase. Okay, we start building momentum. Okay, and that's around 2023 to 2024, right? And after that, when we have the momentum, it will be like, okay, it will have crazy spikes. And that's the first, this is the first kind of like, if you really think about from these lows to here, this is the first kind of like 10x. It could be even 100x depending on your tokens. And after this, so this is kind of like the where the major like high caps make massive gains. So for example, ETH is already like probably 10x at this point, and so on and so on. So and from here we just have the then we have the craziness. Okay, this is the craziness. This is what this is when everybody loses their minds and everybody is just grandmas are buying, everybody is selling their cars to buy. And here what I'm doing, I'm going to sell. I'm just going to dump all my back to these guys. Because you know why? Because at some point the craziness will stop and then we come back. You know what? Bear market. It will repeat over and over and over and go. No matter what the asset this repeats. Remember this as I'm saying this. In the next bull run, everybody will say this is new paradigm. There's something new that people are saying that now it's going. It's so this is going to this is what they say. It's going to be different this time. Okay. Remember when people say this. Okay, be very careful. It's going to be different this time. When people start saying at the top, it's going to be different this time, you should have already taken profits by then and start taking crazy profits here. That I've been in two bull runs, 2027, 2017, and 2021, and both times everybody said this time it's different. This time there's this and this and this, and then it all just jumped at some point. Okay, so it will be crazy. So here why I think that the portfolios that I'm building have a very good chance of going to 100x, 10x, 100x, even up 1000x peaks is because so basically what I'm doing, I'm building this portfolio. So I have DeFi portfolio, decentralized finance, 250 trillion, okay? Basically that's the money in finance right now. All of that is going to go on chain, okay? Also, we have gaming, okay? Gaming is making there's tons of money in gaming, and it's kind of like gaming, metaverse, social. All of these are kind of like in the same bucket, okay? And what we have after that is what I'm also building is NFTs. There's massive, literally these NFTs. These can make tons of money. This is crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm out of these peaks, okay? I'm buying the blue chip, the leaders in the space, the cash flow protocols, the best of the best. I'm also like investigating what the best venture capitalists are buying and kind of like building my own portfolio using tons of like massive amounts of info from all over the place, all over the internet. All I do is research all the time. And then I'm dollar cost averaging into these projects right now for this whole bear market, whatever it is. I'm boom, 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 boom. And right now, I have found a good momentum just buying daily because I have so many things that I want to buy. Like I'm going to first buy acquisition the positions, and then I'm going to start upping them later on in this bear market. But I first want to make the initial buys because the first momentum is the hardest one. It's the first buy is the hardest. Then after that, it becomes like boom, you just want to buy more because you understand it's great. So here, here for example on DeFi, I have already like 15 or something like that peaks on DeFi. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then now I'm going to start buying more of them. I have more. Okay, and then in gaming I have like 3 right now, very blue chip stuff. And NFTs, I'm just starting to build it out. I have found absolutely insane insane NFT projects. I'm talking about insane. This is next level. So if you have been following me for a while, I for example found Cadena back in when it was 50 cents or 80, 50 to 80 cents, something around that range, and it went all the way up to something like $20. It was 20x. And then so that was a great opportunity. And then also I found tons of NFTs that went absolutely moon in the bull run. I literally turned $1,000 into $100,000 with NFTs. Okay, it's the NFT game is it's different, but I have like and so I said those two a couple of opportunities because when I found one so back in the bull market I found one NFT and the price was like 0.07 or something like that. I bought like 20 of them, and then they went to go like 0.8 to up like that. I made ridiculous amounts of money with that, like massive. I literally crazy money. So but NFTs are they are kind of like riskier in a sense, but at the same time the gains are just astronomical. So what I have found with NFTs, I have found real projects, like real this game, like it's these are kind of gaming NFTs. So they say they have utility. They are not profile picture NFTs, but I have found. And these are blue chips, so I'm going to buy those, and the prices of these things are like 0.000 something, and so meaning that you can, I'm going to buy like literally tons of these, like literally tons, and in the next blue run I think that these can really, like realistically literally to go to like, I don't know, even like 1 ETH a piece. Okay, and right now they are like 0.00 whatever 5 to 9. Look at this. It's insane. The gains are just. I mean, I'm just so excited for this bear market right now, and I'm just so blessed to be here. And you right now, like whatever you're doing right now, that there's no bigger opportunity than this right now. I'm telling you, like, it's crazy. It is crazy. And here's also a good, you know, you know, a frame of mind that you want to also have. Let me show you. So, for example, Maker. Let me show you here. So Maker is one of the picks that I have, very blue chip. So it had this. It went out. It went to $1,000, and it went to $600. Okay, 597 because of all everybody was saying. Basically were negative about it. Okay, so that's when it went to freaking zero. It went to 597, and after that, new info has been launched, and people like understood that okay, it's not actually that bad, and then now people have started crazy buying. So you can see that the moment you want to buy is when everybody else hates it. When it goes like this, here's what you want to buy, but you need to make sure that what you're buying is not actually great. It has to be excellent. Okay, it has to be excellent. Um, so you have to have conviction, and you have to know what you're buying. That's why these are the best buying opportunities. Okay. Um, but that's just one observation that I have like right now made, that when everybody is saying that this is bad, that this is not good, that's when you can buy for very low prices. It takes a lot of conviction, and you kind of like go against the herd. Everybody is saying no, 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 no here, and you are like, okay, yes, give me one. Okay, so give it. So that those are the opportunities. That's what I have found. Anyway, so that's a little bit off topic. Anyway, so here, this is kind of like my plan here. Okay, so I'm sharing all of these in my portfolio memberships. And the reason I'm not sharing these for free, I have tried sharing this stuff for free, but people just don't listen if it's free. If the information is free, look at Wikipedia. Wikipedia has it has all the knowledge basically you need, but how many times you go to Wikipedia and read, right? But if you would have paid for it, you would go there and read it, right? Because I can show you all the information, everything like that. I can show you all the alpha, but if you don't take action on it, there's no point. Okay. Anyway, so and I've been selling this course and trainings for a long time, and right now in the bear market I have multiple opportunities here for everybody to get in. If no matter your situation, you can get in. Okay, so don't give me that, like, I know I have a lot of people said they're having a bad time right now and stuff like that, and I understand, like times are tough. So that's why I want you guys to toughen up. Okay, my mentors. It's funny because when I was a kid, like I was like a soft as like hell, like what I'm saying, like, because it wasn't something that everybody around me there's no tough it's not tough, so tough here. Okay, but when I first like got the talked with my mentors and really like talked about them, they were like, they're tough as hell. Like they're like, hey, are you moron? Like, I can't believe you don't know this. Like, are you kidding me? Are you stupid? And they say these things to me, and I'm like, wow, this is so humbling, and I love it. So I like it. So so try not to get to like just try to have an app. The people who make tons of money, they are tough as nails. Okay, they don't care. They just make money. Okay, so try to get out of that mentality. I try to just be humble, be disciplined, and you know just do it. I mean, all it requires is knowledge, plan, and action. Okay, and here everything is here. I'm creating this membership in a way that um I wish that somebody would have told me this stuff back in 2020. Like, if somebody would have made a membership or something like that back in 2020, I would have, because they not only like the all the peaks and stuff like that, but you learn the mindset of how to build portfolio, manage risk, and how to like do the like what kind of projects are really like they have a real shot. Okay, nothing is guaranteed, but these projects that I have, they have literally a real shot because they have real user adoption, and they are leaders in the space. Cash flow, great management, margin of safety looks great because everything is already down. Great modes, and they are actually solving a problem. Okay. Anyway, so see you inside the memberships. See you inside the emails. See you inside the next videos. This bear market is going to be like, I love it. Bear market is a lot better. In the bull run, there are a lot of people um, who weren't serious about crypto, but in the bear market, people who like email me, these guys like you guys like you want to really make it, and that's truly what it takes, in my opinion. That kind of like a hunger. So you know. Anyway, I like that. So hey, let's get it, guys. In the next bull run, it's going to be literally epic. Like think about it. Like it's like just vision that in the next bull run. Okay, everybody who has doubts you, every like all that stuff, But remember to be stay calm. Those who stay calm under pressure win always. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. I'm not a financial advisor.